of equilibrium. What is the meaning of rest? What is the meaning of equilibrium? Now I discuss Nana. Look the board Nana. Look the board. Okay? Look the board Nana. This is the body Nana. Okay? This is the body. Here body velocity becomes 0. Body speed becomes 0. In the diagram, any forces acting on the body? No forces acting on the body. Here on the body, no forces acting. In the situation, body is said to be a rest. Simply, body velocity becomes 0. In this situation, no forces acting on the body. In the situation, no forces acting on the body. This body is said to be a rest. Next, Nana, I discuss what is the meaning of equilibrium. Now I discuss, Nana, what is the meaning of equilibrium. Equilibrium is the body. Okay? Here, this is the force F acting upward, force acting downward. In the situation, forces acting on the body. What happens to the total force or net force? Upward force taken as positive, downward force taken as negative. Because force is a vector, vector indicates specified direction. Plus F minus F cancel. Finally it becomes what? 0. In the situation, forces acting on the body, but net force becomes 0. In the situation, body at rest, but the rest is called in the situation, the body is said to be a equilibrium. Again I say that what is the meaning of rest and equilibrium? Rest means no external force acting on the body. The body is said to be a rest. Here external forces acting on the body, but net force becomes 0. The state of the body is said to be a equilibrium. In the both situation, body velocity 0. But here no forces acting on the body. The state of the body is said to be a rest. Net external forces acting on the body, but total net force is 0. The state of the body is called equilibrium. This is the difference between rest and equilibrium. Look here. Very important theorem, Nana. Today I sent assignments, okay, to solve the problems today onwards only. Okay? Lamis theorem, Nana. This is the body, Nana. Look here. This is the body. This is the body, Nana. In the body, for example, 3 forces acting on the body. Look here. Here, how many forces acting on the body? 3 forces. This is F1. This is F2. This is F3. Look the diagram. Here, this is the body. Here, 3 forces acting on the body. One is F1, other one is F2, other one is F3. Okay? Look here now. Here, the resultant of F2 and F3. Look here. 2 and 3. This is the resultant. According to parallelogram, PQ two vectors resultant between, this is F23. Here F1, F23 having equal magnitude but direction is opposite, so it will be cancelled. Finally net force becomes 0. The state of the body is said to be a equilibrium. Once again I repeat, here how many forces acting on the body? 3 forces acting on the body. What happens the net force on the body? 0. The state is called equilibrium. Lamis theorem is applicable only body having acting on the 3 forces. Finally body ఏ స్టేట్ లో ఉండాలి? ఈక్విలిబ్రియం ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు ఏ థియరం అప్లై చేయొచ్చు? లామి ఓన్లీ. లుక్ హియర్ నాన్న, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద బాడీ నాన్న. లుక్ హియర్, హౌ మెనీ ఫోర్సెస్ యాక్టింగ్ నాన్న? 3 forces acting. This point is called O. At O, the condition is equilibrium. Simply, this force is F1, this force is F2, this force is F3. Look here now. Lamis theorem formula directly I given now. Look here now. Here, first force F1, second force F2, third force F3. Look here. F1 by sino, F2 by sino, F3 by sino. Okay, equal. Look here now. F1 by sin kada. Here this angle is measured. Here F1 undi ante this angle is measured between other 2 forces. Other 2 forces is F2 and F3. For example, F2 ki F3 ki madhya angle enta anukundam? Alpha. Look the formula once again. Here F1 by sin. This angle between other 2 forces simply alpha. Next one. Here F1 की F3 की मध्य angle. Look here, beta. To see the formula, F2 by sin of angle between other 2 forces, that is F1 and F3. F1 की F3 की मध्य angle ఎంత? beta. Okay, next F3 by these are done. F1 की F2 की मध्य angle gamma. Here F3 by sin of angle between other 2 forces. F1 F2 angle is sin gamma. Okay, this is the formula for Lamis theorem. This is applicable body acting on 3 forces. The condition is given equilibrium. Okay, what is the formula for Lamis theorem? Here F3 by sin of gamma. Gamma means angle between F1 and F2. Okay, this is very important formula nana to solve the problems. At O, equilibrium. At O, equilibrium. Look here. Look here now. Look the board now. All of you. Okay? Kalaji open chapter shortly chapter. Okay? Look. Here at O equilibrium, three forces can see the diagram. T1 is nothing but the tension always created in the string, its direction always towards the fixed point. So to see here now, T1, T is nothing but the tension created in the strings. Its direction always towards the fixed point. Here, look here. This is another string. Here also tension act towards the fixed point. Look here. This is the way. Here T1 value determine, W value determine. Here keyword in the problem at O equilibrium. This can be shown. We apply Lamis theorem. What is the Lamis theorem, Nana? F1 by, look here, Nana, sin alpha equal to F2 by sin beta. Look here, F3 by sin gamma. This is the formula. Okay, this is the Lamis theorem. According to diagram, first force is T1. Look here, equal to. Second force is T2. Third force is weight. Weight always vertically downwards. Whole by sin of. This alpha is other two forces. Simply this angle between T2 and W now. According to diagram, T2 and W, what is the angle? This is x-axis, this is y-axis. What is the angle between x and y? 90 degrees. Okay, T1 completed. Next now, T2 by sin of. Here angle is measured other two forces, T1 and W. Look here, T1 and W means Nana, T1 and W means, look here now, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Here to here total angle 90, this angle 30, remaining angle 60. Here to here angle, here to here, this is 60, this is 90. 90 plus 16, the angle is 90 plus 60 equal to W by Junaid, W by, look here, sin of gamma. Look here, this is W taken, here angle is other two forces, that means T1, T2 angle. T1, T2 angle, look here. Here, this angle is 30, this angle 90. Simply, it write as 90 plus 30. Okay? Once again, I repeat. Alpha is angle between F2 and F3. Beta is angle between F1 and F3. Gamma is angle between F1 and F2. Okay, other two forces. Okay, look here, last step. T1 by sin 90 value 1 equal to T2 by T2 value is given in the diagram 30 newtons by sin of 90 plus 60, sin of 90 cos 60 value 1 by 2. Once again I repeat, sin of 90 cos 60 value 1 by 2 equal to W by sin of 90 cos 30 root 3 by 2. Here to determine T1 value and also determine W value. First to balance none. First to balance. Here what is the T1 value? T1 value 1 by 2 reverse 30 into 2 60. Last to balance. Last to balance 60 equal to 60 equal to W by root 3. Here 2 how many times? 30. What is the W value? 30 root 3. Look here.